Light. So, blink twice if you're starting. So, sneezing and how the body systems that are included in sneezing. So first, we have muscular system, respiratory, and nervous. So the way that sneezing works is like, not the way it works, but the reason why we sneeze is the body's way to clear out viruses and like infections or whatever. Irritations. From the nose, from the nasal cavity. So this person is breathing in the air through the nose, and it goes to the bronchi, which go to the lungs, and then you breathe in, and then you sneeze. You're welcome. I mean, thank you.
Okay. So there are three main body systems in sneezing. One of them is the nervous system. The nerves in the nasal cavity transmit signals to the sneezing center in the medulla, which is the lower part of the brain, spot back here. The medulla is connected to the spinal cord, which is located on the vertebrae. And the spinal cord is connected to the brain, which sends signals to the rest of the body. The second one is the respiratory system. When sneezing, you inhale air through the trachea to the lungs. The trachea is right here in your throat, to gain more air to force bacteria or irritation out of the nose, which is sneezing. The bronchioles connect to the throat, to your bronchi, to the lungs, allowing the inhale to happen.
The muscular system, so after inhaling, the diaphragm contracts to force the
Okay.
Dude, start!
Oh, okay. I don't know how long can we stop.
Hurry up, I'm low on storage.
Okay, so hello. My name is Lulu. Wait, no, I don't want that.
Air out of the lungs.
Peace out, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.